Welcome in. What's happening, y'all? How y'all doing? Falling in reverse. Ronnie here doing his thing. Got my notifications. Actually, I got about 2 messages telling me, when are you going to do that new song? So I hope I'm not too late to the party. Best late than never. But I'm here. Y'all know how I feel about FIR. Y'all go check my playlist. I put the link in the description. But what's happening, y'all? How you doing? I've been missing for a bit, and I'm back now. Everything's sorted. Gonna be getting back on a lot of my reactions, so stay tuned. Apologies for being gone for a bit. Had some family issues and stuff needed to deal with, but we here. God is a weapon. Now that is a powerful title. That's a serious, powerful title. But we're gonna see what's happening. Let's go. Let's go. What's happening, y'all? A boom bap kind of a beat already, yeah? Okay. Right there. That's a big part, right? That God is a weapon, you know, especially for a lot of religions and people who use God as a weapon to get their evil ways or whatever they have planned to get past or go through. They use religion, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, now let's go. I can't stop from sinning. My halo's just a hole deeper than is that Manson, bro? Hold up, hold up 1 second. Hold up, wait a minute. Shit. Damn up, boy, my boy Manson right here. Man, Manson just say, alright. Yo, I ain't killing no one say. A lot of people didn't like when I was younger, and you know what I'm saying? I used to listen to a few of his songs, used to look at me like I was all kind of, you know what I'm saying? But put some respect on this dude, man. Shit. Hey, hold up. You know how Fall in Reverse is always doing covers of songs, but then doing it in their own kind of style or version. Is this an old Manson kind of song? It's an old Manson tune that he's redoing. Hit me down in the comments. Let me know. If I can see him here, I'm like, is this one of his songs? But just redone like how only Falling in Reverse does. Y'all know what I'm saying, though. Okay. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah. Halo's just a hole. Damn. Come back. Yo. I could just hear that in the background. Do apologize. I live close to one of the main airports, so you know you get them heavy traffic at certain times of the day. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Man said, I'm a grenade. Try to take this ring from me. Watch me detonate. He told about trying to take my halo from me. You know, it's the beef, yeah. Watch me detonate. You might as well Yo, yo, yo. Oh. Hey. I'm loving this whole kind of dark, the black and white really brings things to the forefront. Like, you know what I'm saying? A whole feel of medievally dark but evil, and a bit of hint of hope. You know, God is a weapon. Now you see all them swords on the battlefield as if we were back in, like, you know what I'm saying, King Arthur or Roman times, though. But on a real note, this is a problem with the world today. You know what I mean? Everybody uses anything they can just to dominate, you know, over the masses. It's what certain religions have been doing for centuries. You know what I mean? Yo, that beat just messed me up there. I thought it was my computer that messed up with that pause, and then I was like, oh shit, man, where's my shit pausing? It was the actual beat, you know. And then that offbeat kind of got what you call them. My sinful conversion, you're my hey. Hey, y'all playing around though. Yo, that was one of them kind of epic videos there. You don't stop playing around, straight talking. Falling in reverse. God is a weapon. And I think that was maybe a little cameo from Manson himself. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Any other songs you want to see me react to. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, be safe, stay blessed.